హైదరాబాద్ యాబిట్స్ పరిధిలో నిన్న సాయంత్రం జరిగిన కిడ్నాప్ కేసును పోలీసులు 24 గంటల్లో ఛేదించారు. తల్లిదండ్రుల ఫిర్యాదుతో పోలీసులు పలు బృందాలుగా ఏర్పడి రాత్రంతా తీవ్రంగా శ్రమించి నిందితుడిని పట్టుకున్నారు. ఉదయం 6:30 బాలికను సురక్షితంగా కుటుంబ సభ్యులకు అప్పగించారు. కేసుకు సంబంధించిన మరిన్ని వివరాలు సెంట్రల్ జోన్ డీసీపీ అక్షాంశ్ యాదవ్తో మా ప్రతినిధి శివరామకృష్ణ ముఖాముఖి ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
హైదరాబాద్ అబిట్స్లో నిన్న సాయంత్రం 5:30కు జరిగినటువంటి ఆ కిడ్నాప్ కేసుని పోలీసులు ఛేదించారు. దీనికి సంబంధించి మనతో మాట్లాడేందుకు సెంట్రల్ జోన్ డీసీపీ అక్షాంశ్ యాదవ్ ఉన్నారు. సార్ని అడిగి మరిన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. సార్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ us what happened yesterday and how he kidnapped the girl.
Okay, yesterday evening at around 5:30 we received a complaint from the parents of the victim girl that victim girl is around 6-year-old. She has been kidnapped when she was playing outside her grandparents' house. So given at the sensitive nature of the incident, we immediately registered an FIR under heads of kidnapping, and immediately we formed teams under SHO Abits, DI Abits, DSI, SIA and DIB Gambazar, and immediately we sent them to trace the victim.
So how many teams you have formed to trace that girl, and how you traced that girl?
So initially we had formed 6 teams to look after the to visit the scene of crime, look after any CCTV camera recordings there, so that we can identify in which direction the accused had taken the victim girl. So after looking at the CCTV, we got to know, and the reconstruction of the entire CCTV footage, we got to know that accused after taking the victim, he took an auto and he went to Afzalganj bus station. From there he took a bus, I think bus number 532, Falaknuma depot, and he went towards Kothur. He got down at JP Dargah, and there he earlier worked as a labor. So he went to one of the labor camp, and he stayed there throughout the night. And in the morning when he was coming out from that room, and he was walking on the road looking to get some place where he can go out and call the victim's parents to gain some money. That time our team was there, and we caught him.
Where he is from and how he came here?
Given the minor victim is a minor, and we have sent her for medical examination to find out whether there are any POCSO contents in the complaint in this incident. So we can't reveal the identity of the victim, and we also expect the media to be a little sensitive and not reveal the identity of the victim. However, about the accused, we can tell that his name is Mohammad Bilal. He's native of Bihar, and he has come to Hyderabad last month only along with his friends. So he worked in a construction company for 3 or 4 days as a labor, and he has previous antecedents also. In Bihar, he was accused of a bike theft case in which he was in prison for around 9 months, and a similar POCSO and kidnapping case of a 10-year-old girl in Bihar, Bhagalpur district. There he was in jail for around 26 months. He was released in March only from Bihar, and when he came to Hyderabad last month in July, he committed a similar incident, kidnapping and POCSO incident in Kothur PS of an 8-year-old girl. So this is his modus operandi. He tried to look for minor girls and kidnap them.
So finally, what you want to tell to the parents of Hyderabad and the children, little children, to take care of the things, not to be kidnapped by someone?
Actually, what we have seen in this case, he has taken the victims who are who are not without any supervision of their elders, or moving around on the road and in public places. So my only request to parents and other people, responsible people of the society and the citizens of this country, to please keep a watch on the children whenever they are in public places. Otherwise, police is always there to help and provide security to the people of this country, but still there are some people who always look for opportunity to commit such incidents.
Thank you so much. So ఇది మొత్తంగా పిల్లలపైన తల్లిదండ్రులు కన్నేసి ఉంచాలని చెప్తున్నారు. అట్లే ఎప్పుడైనా కనుక పొరపాటున కిడ్నాప్కి గురైనట్టయితే వెంటనే పోలీసులు అలర్ట్ చేయాలని చెప్పి డీసీపీ చెప్తున్న పరిస్థితి కనిపిస్తుంది. కెమెరామెన్ పురుషోత్తంతో శివరామకృష్ణ, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, హైదరాబాద్.